Alright guys, hi, it's Tone here, and we're going to do a quick video on installing a SSD in your PlayStation 5. What we have here is the 980 Pro. It's a Samsung M2 SSD 4.0, one of the fastest, so that should work fine. As you see here, we have the SSD out, and then we also have a heatsink. We're going to put this heatsink as well. I got it from Amazon. It's just a generic SSD heatsink, and I'll put the link in the description. So basically, you got the sink, you have the thermo pads, a screwdriver, and then also little small screws that attach the heatsink together and just kind of lock it in around the SSD. Alright, so I've went ahead and put the SSD inside the heatsink, and this is how the finished product will look. You have the heatsink on top, you have some thermal pad in there, you have the SSD, another thermal pad, and then the bottom of the heatsink. And so this is going to go inside the PlayStation 5. Now I've already removed the base, so that makes it easy for us. As you can see, this is my PlayStation 5. It has the black plates on it. I changed the white ones out for the black ones. I just like the black ones better. We're going to remove the side. If you have the disc version like I have here, we're just going to remove the side with the disc, and that's where the SSD component hides. So you just apply a little pressure here and push down just a little bit, and it just comes right off. When you open your PlayStation, you're going to see where the SSD goes. It goes up under this panel here, which is attached by just one single screw, and your SSD just fits inside there. Alright, so I've attached the SSD and the heatsink in the PlayStation 5's provided slot. So we're going to just put the cover back on it here, and then we're just gonna screw this back in. We're going to attach the side, and then we will plug this baby up and see how she does. Alright, so as we can see, the SSD is being read by the PlayStation 5. In my console, I have the console storage. I have the M2 SSD, which is the one we just installed. And then I also have a extended storage, which is just a portable hard drive. So everything went well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and enjoy and have fun till the next one. Tony out.